first, I'm heading to the small town of Plymouth, Iowa. There are mostly craftsman-style and Cape Cod homes in this area. I'm here to meet Jessica and Eric. They think they have the ugliest house in America. It's like a church/barn to me.
Hi, Retta.
Hello.
Come on in.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi,
I love
guys.
the dress. That's awesome.
Jessica, Eric,
Evie.
Yep. Dr. Evie.
I feel like I'm in New Orleans.
You
Yes.
are.
It is literally outside of a building in New Orleans.
That's
Pretty
the,
much.
That's the
with-
vision.
There's stars in the ceiling.
Oh, there are.
Yeah, stars are my favorite. They're dimmable too.
And then the two lights over here are outdoor lights.
They're street lights.
Yeah, they're street lights.
So how long have you lived here?
About a month.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
But it's been in Jessica's family here since the 70s.
My uncle's partner, he traveled to New Orleans a lot and he loved it, so he wanted to create that inside.
It is not easy to repair anything here.
I'm trying to understand what's happening here. There's a stage.
There's a
there's a stage. Yeah.
I'm a performer. Coming to the stage! I am flashing back to high school plays. Is this a bedroom?
That's where me and Jessica sleep currently.
Up there's gonna be our bedroom. It's not
Gotcha.
finished yet.
Oh, okay. Let's check out your current sleeping space. I see this floor is undone.
It used to be the same as the red carpet upstairs.
Most of them were peeling as we were walking.
So we pulled them all up.
What is this? This looks like a lava rock.
Lava rock.
Is that what it is? Okay.
Cemented into the wall.
Who knew I knew what that was?
Yeah.
Where else are we headed?
So this is the kitchen.
Yeah, and it is 1970. Oh, wow. We're in the Brown family in here, except for the Dijon stove. Oh, it's 100% the 70s. I mean, it was baller then. And you got the outside sconces in here too. No. I do see that there's been a line run through that door.
Oh yeah, that's how they gave us internet. They didn't have a drill bit big enough to get through the walls.
I can see this depth. This is pretty deep. The cable company can't get in through the walls. They got to drill through a door. I feel like it's a bit of a fortress. Okay, what are we gonna see next?
The bathroom?
Sure.
So this is the bathroom.
Whoa! We have a step-down shower.
It's a tub.
A tub?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you can fill it. Okay.
All the way to the top.
The first time I turned on the water, all these spiders like filled the whole bottom. Something out of a horror movie. Big spiders come up.
Take the long story.
When you tell me that when you run the water in the tub fills with spiders, get out! You are the semifinalist in the Northern region. If you move on to the next stage, that would give you the opportunity to win a $150,000 renovation by Alison Victoria of Windy City Rehab. And if you do indeed move on to the next step, you'll hear from me.
Okay.
So thanks for having me.
Thank you for taking your time to come over here.
Thanks for not showing me all the snakes. Bye, guys. Whew. It looks like someone tried to bring the bayou inside a house in Plymouth, Iowa. Nolan's in the entrance. Functionally, it has not been refreshed, upkept, anything since the 70s. The surprise? Snakes. It's a serpent's haven. It just feels dangerous in there. For my next adventure in Ugly, I'm heading due east to Madison, Wisconsin. Today, I'm in the capital of Wisconsin, Madison, which is known for its diverse architecture, including split-level, ranch, and prairie-style homes. It is also the home to 8 buildings designed by architect and Wisconsin native Frank Lloyd Wright, who believed that buildings should reflect their surrounding environment. I'm here to meet Alex and Olivia. They think they have the ugliest house in America. They must be students of the school of Frank Lloyd Wright, because this blends.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Retta.
We need to go outside first to talk about the outside of the
All
house.
right, yeah, for sure.
Okay. So who's Alex, who's Olivia?
I'm Alex.
I'm Olivia.
All right. Tell me about this house. I'm expecting Gollum to run from around
Right?
the back.
It's an earth home, basically a concrete dome, and on top of it is soil and living plants. As you can see, it's kind of gotten a little out of control.
Oh, has it? I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
As far as I know, this is what they look like.
I think it's not everybody's cup of tea. Most of it is underground.
There's not a whole lot of windows, so it's hard to get light into the lower levels of the house, and it does make it hard to kind of fit furniture into the curved rooms. We don't really know who to turn to for help.
It could definitely use some help.
Let's see the inside.
All right.
Okay, sounds good. This is our living room.
Are you calling this ugly?
I think it's pretty cute. I mean,
I was gonna say.
This is our favorite room in the house.
Okay.
So we haven't lived here all that long, and so certain things are kind of coming out of the woodwork, and there is sometimes leakage in between the concrete slabs. So we have to do the repairs ourselves, because it's not like, we can find the average roof repair person.
Yeah, welcome to homeowners.
Yes,
there was
this
no
is our
leaking
first
home.
home.
Everything sucks and it's broken.
Yeah, basically. There's actually 5 distinct levels throughout the house. Some are only a couple steps apart from each other. It can be a little bit tricky for people who aren't good at stairs.
Functionally, I get.
Yeah.
So you're gonna
Yeah.
have to show me.
We'll show you the dirty details, I know. Let's just head up to our bedroom. This is our room. Go ahead and knock on the walls. It is like
Oh, wow.
solid concrete.
These are prison walls.
Yes. She makes me sleep on that side. I hit my head on that sometimes getting up out of bed.
Really?
It is.
Those ceilings, they can break up a happy home. Let me ask you about this carpeting.
Yeah. Sorry. That was there. I'm a little bit scared to pull up this carpet because the moisture gets back behind it. It leaks all the way down, and so we had a big fan in that corner too to help dry it out.
I'm real nervous about the mold situation in here. You know that carpet is holding some stuff. It's holding some stuff.
Can we show you our closet?
Yes.
Okay, it continues back all the way through to our guest
Oh.
bedroom.
That's so crazy. Why would they not?
Okay. Hi, Retta.
How you doing, Alex? I think the person who built this home kind of got over on being able to sell it as a 2-bedroom, because kind of got over closet as a front and back entry. I don't think they should have gotten away with that.
Do you want to see our bathroom?
It's gonna be small. Whoa! So you got the sunken tub.
If the tub is wet and you're stepping into it, there's just really no safe way.
This freaks me out. I 100% would break this glass.
Especially because that's the only thing to grab onto.
Our parents have visited, and I'm surprised nobody's gotten hurt yet.
It's scary for the youthful. So you know it's scary for real old people.
Next, we can show you the kitchen. It's downstairs. No shortage of cabinets.
Yeah, they were like, let's
Load it up.
cabinet it up.
That's up against the exterior wall.
It's a faux cabinet.
It is.
Didn't even realize.
There's no bottom.
Gosh.
I actually went to wipe it out when we first moved in and my hand just went right through.
You got me. Wow, 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 wow. That is rude. And this tile.
Yeah.
The colors are not our favorite.
The grout is tough to clean also.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. Everybody talks about cleaning grout. I have never in my life attempted to clean grout. I'm mopping it and I'm out. I'm going to wish you good luck and exit this joint.
Sounds good. Thanks, Retta.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me. So that was the house on Gollum's Hill. Appearance-wise, it's homey, if your idea of home is an underground bomb shelter. Functionally, it's not functional. It's hard to function when you're always worried about conking your head on the ceiling or breaking your neck getting out of the tub. And the surprise was the peekaboo closet, because nothing says mi casa es su casa like a room with a view into the guest bedroom. Who knew the northern region was gonna be so eclectic? For the last semifinalist in the northern region, I'm heading back to Iowa. this time to the town of Robbins. I am in a suburb of Cedar Rapids, known as Robbins, Iowa, where multiple new housing developments surround us and very similar homes line each street. I'm here to meet Cindy and Jean, who think they have what it takes to be the ugliest house in America. We shall see. And then here's the house. Hi, Retta. Can I come in?
Absolutely. Please come into our home. We're so excited to have you here. Welcome to our home.
Well, thanks for having me.
Welcome.
I'm here to see what you claim is ugly. Because from outside, it looks like a house.
Yeah, well, there's a few things.
Okay. Where am I headed?
I think we will go into our lovely porch.
Oh, okay.
So this is our all-season.
This is your cat's room. How many cats do you have?
So we have 7.
What?
Yes. So we... So we have Cookie and Candy, Squeak, Moose and Mouse, Luke and Wally.
I can't believe I can breathe. I'm allergic to cats.
I know, we have...
Holy cow.
Retta, we knew you were
We've been on a
coming. We
mission
have
of
been on a
cleaning.
mission
Yes.
to
Oh,
make
God
sure
bless.
you were okay. My name is Cindy, and I live in Robbins, Iowa, with my husband, Gene, and our 7 cats. Squeak. Oh my gosh.
Which cat is that?
That's Squeak. And our house is ugly.
We purchased this through an estate sale. We knew there was some repairs needed. We tried DIY and that failed.
We have a foot in 1970 and a foot in the 2020s, and it's making us do the splits.
I mean, this is a good space. It's an interesting color. Is this the cat's favorite color? Is that what's going on?
At the time, it was my favorite color.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, so nobody to blame but me.
All right. Where else are we looking?
All right, we're gonna head into the kitchen.
We got a lot of brown, older cabinets. This is a
Great.
floor.
Yes.
Look at you.
Original.
Yeah, I bet.
Popcorn ceiling throughout the house. And we have the leftover remnant wallpaper
on the
bulkhead.
bulkheads.
Leftover from what?
The whole room used to be that,
Oh,
you know? So
Yes.
we were trying.
the walls are tan. So that's what you painted after you took down
The wall.
this.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we had them, they were black and gray first. There's a spot right there by the refrigerator that
Oh, okay.
kind of shows our handiwork. That's our colors.
Oh, you didn't finish painting it tan. Oh my God,
Takes a little
where's the
while.
paintbrush? Give me the paintbrush. Literally, this is what it would take.
That's from days gone by. We're on to bigger and better things.
Yeah.
New day! New day. Where are we headed next?
All right, the second door on your left.
I feel like nothing matches.
No, nothing.
It's a mixed match.
DIY did not rescue us.
No. The yellow sink is interesting.
That's harvester gold.
Oh, my bad. Harvester gold. Wow, you are using every bit of power in that outlet.
Yeah.
Everything is plugged in over here.
So we're gonna go head down to the basement.
Oh, okay. We are not finished.
Actually, it was finished, and then before we moved in, they ripped it all out.
Really? Was it carpeted?
Yes, it was that peach stuff
Oh.
that we just walked down.
You put up art.
We tried. Yeah.
I mean, you put up art. Why? You could have saved that time and painted the kitchen. It's storage.
And where the cats come,
I mean, where don't the cats come to?
nowhere.
Don't-
They have full reign of the house.
All right. Well, I'm going to wish you good luck,
Thank you.
and I am going to go get some antihistamines.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Retta. We've enjoyed having you.
That was the Mismatch Cat Paradise. Appearance-wise, it's half-finished paint, fixtures that don't match. It's like they just found a pile of stuff and they were like, we can make a house out of this. I think the dysfunction comes in being bombarded with the mismatchiness. Like just being in there, you're like, you don't know where to look to get comfortable. The surprise, 7 cats. That's a lot of cats. I can't breathe. Looks like the northern region is showing us what it's got. They got ugly. There are 3 strong contenders here in the northern region, but only one can snag that once-in-a-lifetime renovation, courtesy of Alison Victoria. Who's gonna be crowned ugliest house in the north? The northern region was a unique mixture of ugly, but only one can sit on the throne of ugliest in the north. It's between a New Orleans knockoff where snakes outnumber humans 10 to 1, an underground bunker with a roof in desperate need of a haircut,
That's up against the exterior wall.
and a jumbled up house that not even a cat could fancy.
The yellow sink is interesting.
That's harvester gold.
Oh, my bad. Harvester gold. I'm on the road and I've got my GPS set for ugly. But first, it's that time again. I get to tell some lucky homeowners that they were selected as the ugliest house in their region. Here we go. Alex, Olivia, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm here to say that you are the ugliest house in the northern region.
You're kidding.
No, I wish I was. No, I don't. I don't wish I was. The undeniable odd appearance mixed with the leaky ceilings and a treacherous shower put you over the top. So you have moved to the finals, getting you one step closer to renovation by Alison Victoria.
We're excited.
So congrats, and I'm gonna wish you luck. House on, or was it under Gollum's Hill, you may have buried your competition in the northern region, but are you ugly enough to win it all? There's still plenty of ugly left to see.